Hello knitters and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing Lino by BC Garn. This is an 100% linen yarn made from natural plant fibre. If you usually knit with wool or cotton, linen will feel completely new to you. I have an exciting project in mind for this yarn, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to try Lino. So what is linen? Linen comes from the flax plant and it's known for being strong, breathable and durable, making it a perfect summer fibre to knit with. Today I'm reviewing color 54. This comes in a 50-gram balls with 150 meters. The recommended needle size is 3 to 4 millimeters. It's also certified to OEKO-TEX Standard 100. This means every part of the yarn has been strictly tested and proven free from more than 1,000 toxic or allergenic chemicals. So you can knit with this yarn with real confidence. Let's do a squish test. You can feel straight away that this isn't cotton, and it definitely isn't wool. It's completely on its own thing. The fibre feels strong and a little firm, but that's exactly the quality that makes linen special. Now let's knit a swatch. My first swatch on 4mm Adi Nature bamboo circular needles came out a little too loose, so I dropped down to 3.5mm Adi lace gold tip circulars to see if I could get closer to a gauge of 21 stitches per 10 cm. The reason why I started with Adi Nature bamboo is because I thought the yarn might be slippery and wooden needles usually have good grip. But now that I'm knitting with the lace needles, which have sharper tips, I find it very easy to slide the needle into each stitch. You'll notice immediately that knitting with lino feels very different from wool or cotton, and to me that difference is quite addictive. And because there's so little stretch, it feels less forgiving than wool. So the stitches don't bounce back the same way. But after a short time, you get used to it. The yarn moves smoothly on the needles and produces a natural looking fabric, and watching each stitch form is really fun. Now let's look at the knitted fabric. Here are the swatches I made. I've already blocked them, but you can see here the difference between before and after blocking. I blocked it with a steam iron, pinning it to keep the shape neat, but I didn't stretch it too much. The stitches are clear and well defined, and the yarn creates a beautiful texture that already feels like it makes a lovely, cool, breathable fabric. And also this one, I just had to make a lace swatch too. The yarn is so nice, and I think it deserves a lovely all-over pattern as well. So, who is Lino for? If you love natural fibers, want something breathable for warm weather, appreciate beautiful drape and durability, and like the reassurance of a yarn that is strictly tested and proven free from harmful chemicals, I think you'll really enjoy this one. Thank you for watching. If you have knitted with BC Garn Lino, please let me know about your experience in a comment below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more yarn reviews, technical knitting tutorials, as well as knit along for my designs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.